Hello my friends, this is the video that I made on NIO just 4 days ago on May 15th of this year, when the price of this asset was at $5.88. As you can see, it was right here. And my main assumption was that if this asset breaks the top of previous third wave, we have to hit at least $6.6 mark. Otherwise, if we have a rejection out of the range of around $6, we will confirm the movement to the downside and we will confirm this ABC retracement. And here is the actual price action. As you can see, we were at this point, and here you can see that we retested the top of our third wave and had a very harsh rejection to the downside with this quite indicative volume. And we already formed the 5-way structure to the upside. We completed it, and we have a double top pattern. This means this potentially might be our A wave. We have to land to form our B wave, and we might have another leg to the downside to complete the C wave. And guys, this is another evidence how powerful technical analysis is. And if you want to enhance your trading skills, if you want to know more about technical analysis, feel free to subscribe to my YouTube channel and to join my Patreon account, where for the $35 a month you will be able to drastically enhance your trading skills. On top of that, for the first 100 subscribers I will do a giveaway. I will do a technical analysis based on your request on any asset that you might find. On top of that, guys, and it is the most lucrative offer, for now there is not so many people inside the community. That is why almost 100% of my time will be dedicated to you. This means it is pretty much one-on-one training for the value of $450 a month, but for the fraction of this cost, for just $35 a month. And I think it is quite fair deal.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
So let's continue with the price chart again. I have to admit that we have a perfect contender for the first wave from its lowest point at $3.65. And in just a minute I will show you my thoughts in more details. But for now, guys, let me pay attention to the most interesting update in regards to the price targets of NIO. Let me show you this. On May 15th, JP Morgan Chase upgraded its rating, and it set a price target at $5.4 instead of $4.8. And I have to say that it is quite good news in general, because they changed the underweight rating to neutral. This means they don't suggest anymore to sell the stock, and they suggest to hold it. But guys, take a look on the list of smart money investors, and I marked several lines for you in order to show you the hidden sentiment for this asset. You know that on the market we have major market makers who pretty much add the liquidity to the market and who open a lot of long position and short position, to be honest, in the majority of assets. And here you can see several major market makers who added to their long position just recently. On May 16th, they filed, Jane Street Group filed this update, and they added to their position about 20.78%, and their total position becomes slightly above $37 million. Next company, JTS Securities, doubled its position. They increased the number of shares by 122%. And for now, they hold almost $7.3 million in value in NIO Stock. Next company is right here, Bank of America. They drastically increased its position by 217%. And for now, they hold almost $31 million in value in NIO. Next company, Goldman Sachs, added almost 7% to its current position, and they hold $62.5 million. And guys, if you take a look on the general sentiment, you will not find a lot of trends, a lot of bullish and bearish trends. But if you take a look on the major market makers, you will definitely find out this trend. And this is the hidden sentiment of so-called smart money list. That is why, in the long-term perspective, in my opinion, NIO is quite bullish. So, and let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, We have quite interesting structure. Let me delete unnecessary tools. As you can see, we completed 5 waves to the upside, and for now we are forming the ABC correction. But we have another potential way how this breakdown might work. We might have from this bottom to this top, we might already have 5 waves in it. This is our first wave, second, somewhere here might be third, fourth and fifth. And I have to diversify the degree of this wave in order to be a little bit different. And from this point, we might have an A wave. This is a B wave with a slightly overthrow of its previous top. And we are forming the C wave to the upside right now. And in general, it doesn't matter in which position we are at right now, because in the medium and in the short-term perspective, we still have to see another leg to the downside or couple of legs if it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 movements in the C wave if we have the top of our fifth wave right here. That is why, guys, in upcoming week, we might see this movement to the downside. And take a look right here. We have the lowest point of this candle that was set on May the 10th at $5.04 under the letter L. You can see its lowest price, 5.04. And this long candle with the long wick also has the same lowest point at $5.04. This means I cannot prove or disprove any of these breakdowns, but in general, it doesn't affect much the current price action. That is why, guys, I think we still have a chance to form the top of our B wave if it is an ABC correction from this top, and we have to have one more leg to the downside to complete the C wave. And if it is the case, guys, take a look right here. I don't need this tool. And I don't need this tool. And because of the double top pattern, we can easily project the levels where we might land, because we have pretty much the same point of the top of this wave. And to do so, I have to pull the Fibonacci retracement tool from the bottom to the top, to the range of about $6.07. And here's the levels where we might land. As you can see, we perfectly hit the 0.382 range at $5.13. But most likely we might land lower at $4.84 and $4.5. And this is the highest level of probability to see a trend reversal, but it doesn't mean that we have to land here. That is why, guys, if you want to accumulate your long position, wait for the next leg to the downside and accumulate your position according to its movement. And you will be able to catch its local bottom and to catch its potential third wave to the upside. That should be the strongest on this scale. And for now, I cannot project higher targets, higher price targets for this asset, because I don't have this pivot point. But in general, from this level, we might easily have at least 100% to the upside within the next several months. And this is the crucial point of my today's video. So, I think that's all information that I want to provide you. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell. And see you guys and girls next time. Bye!
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, doing no cap. Only God wants you.